Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on OPPO F29. So you have to start by pressing on this arrow button, and here you can choose your language. Then click next, and now you can select your region, then click next, and then click next again. Here you can set up using another device, or you can just click skip, and you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can click skip again. Now you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip, and here you have to scroll down and click accept. Now scroll down and click agree, and here you can select your navigation method and then click done. Then click get started, and as you can see, my device is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.